I'm Caleb Martin. I got Austin, Moody with me. Come on in the shot real quick. I'm gonna teach this kid how to weld. So we got the bare essentials, right? You got the jacket, you got the gloves, you gotta flip the switch for the MIG welder, turn on your gas, and then, you know, MIG welding is this kind of gun looking thing, and it feeds you the wire. And we're just gonna do one little bead today, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Don't forget your, you know, your freaking sick American flag helmets, right? America. And we're just gonna weld one little bead on a piece of scrap metal right through here, and I'm gonna do one, and then I'm gonna teach Austin and walk you guys through the steps, and then we're gonna teach Austin how to do it. And if Austin can do it, anyone can do it. People ask me all the time, what is welding? Well, I'm gonna show you. Alright, this right here, these are welds. Okay? What would you do without welding? Well, there wouldn't be chairs, there wouldn't be fences, there wouldn't be piping, there wouldn't be a lot of things. That was a tack weld that you see. A tack weld is just a little, like, you pull the trigger once, hold it for like 3 seconds, and it's like this tiny little thing. Compared to a bead is what we had Austin do. He had me finish one, and it's like a line or a row, and you're pretty much doing lowercase e's in cursive really slowly, and you get a good pace going. And while you're pulling these in cursive really slowly, and you get a good pace going, and while you're pulling the trigger, it's releasing this wire with gas, and the wire is the metal that gets melted when the gas is released. So when you pull the trigger, it's feeding the wire and it's releasing the gas, causing the metal to melt, which is helping the metals stay together, right? Alright, so when you do a bead, is what we call it, it's gonna look like little bumps, and it's gonna be smooth in a straight line, right? So when you do it, you have your finger on the trigger, and you're holding it here, and you take your other hand, whatever hand you write with, so I'm right-handed, holding the right hand, take your other hand and you can help stabilize yourself. And when you do it, you're gonna start, and you're gonna keep it about this far away, and you don't have to push or pull or anything. It'll just keep feeding it. As long as you pull the trigger, it'll start. And when you do it, think of doing little e's, like lowercase cursive e's, and you're just gonna continuously do it kind of at this speed, and you're gonna do it all the way across. And then when you're done, you just release the trigger, and then we're just gonna shine it up a little bit, and we should have a bead going. So
let's get some action.
Yeah, let me show you how to do it. Alright, so I only did half, and we're gonna have Austin do the other half. I don't know how well y'all could see it, but it's gonna be pretty hot, but it's gonna look like this. See the bead looking thing I'm talking about? And then you have to take a brush, you have to shine it up a little bit, clean off the metal. Now you got a nice clean bead, MIG welding. So Austin's gonna do the other half, and we're gonna see how well it goes, and then I can coach him up a little bit, and maybe he's gonna do another bead. Right here? Yep. Keep check. Alright, let's see how it turned out.
Hey!
So not too bad. You see some of the beads, and then there's some spots where he went off, but not bad. I'd say there's worse welders than him in the world. And then, what do you do when you're done welding?
Brush
you hold
it.
your handle. Don't you gotta brush it? You dip it in the water.
Oh!
And it sizzles, because it's all hot. And then, yeah, you can brush it with the brush, make it look pretty. So, go ahead and brush your whatever it is, okay. Brush that off. Boom, check it out. If you want to learn to weld and keep doing this, welding 1, welding 2, Mr. Chatfeild, you get the whole shop, you're a good teacher. That's what welding is, and there's a lot of different jobs you can do with it. Then there's lots of, you can just regular welder, iron workers, anything with metal. It pays good. It's also just a good skill to learn. Alright, had to get my little microphone here. So, what did you think of welding?
It was fun. Like, after I got the hang of it, it was pretty fun, yeah.
Do you think you would take welding if you had the chance again, if you weren't a senior?
Yeah, I mean, it's better than sitting in class taking notes all day. Like, you're on your feet, you're doing stuff with your hands, and you get some pretty good life experience. Like, that's gonna help you later in life.
Broke my heart, oh no you didn't. Yeah, go ahead and try it out. It's one of the things Rogers is known for. Other schools have like auto shops and different things, but people will come to Rogers for welding, so it's kind of cool. So take advantage of it.